Is it recording? Oh. Hey, what's up, guys? I've been watching a lot of Demon Slayers, and I'm gonna be telling you how can I make the Nezuko Komodo bamboo mask in Gacha Club. You might be asking, huh? That is so hard, right? Wrong. So follow the steps correctly, then you will be good to go. So change your head into 12, but it can be anything. So I recommend this. So let's make another copy of Nezuko Komodo. Here we go. As you can see, the mask is right there. Wait just a minute, okay, I'm just gonna be trying to find. I don't want to lose the hair club. Wait, oh. 6:14. 6. 14, 18. Oh. Sorry about what I'm doing right now. I'm doing this because of me wanting you to experience what is life with this thing. Okay, life. 3. Sorry about the chewing. Okay, here we go. Wait just a minute. Okay, so. Okay, sorry. So, first you need to get this. So, I recommend using this side because of what is gonna be happening. But, okay, so here we go. Put this. Let me take that out. Wait, it just a minute, okay? I have so much to do right now. So, you have this, right? So, first, color them in here. Wait just a minute. Using again. Oh my god. So, fine. I'm so lazy, but this is for the video, so here. +2 and 12. Oh, wrong. There, okay? So, as you can see, the mouth is right there. Now, to do this, you need is to, well... Okay, fine, I'm just gonna let you see it. Okay, 15 and 6. Hold on, I did something wrong. And there we go. So if you want to, you can screenshot this. Okay, now screenshot this. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be showing you how to make Nezuko Komodo and a time lapse. No speaking included, so If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me just